Oh. So feeling Mother Gaia and feeling yourself as part of her being and feeling all of her beings here in the simplicity of this timeless moment, unbound by time or space. And let's allow our natural breathability, that porousness of undefended beingness, to begin to breathe fully now with all of nature as a field, an interbreathing field. Feel your breath breathing not only through your lungs and your nostrils, your mouth, but through the soles of your feet, the crown of your head, the empty space in the center of your forehead. The palms of your hands, the still pointed womb of your belly, the pores of your skin, the spiraling of your eardrums, and feel that organ of subtle perception, the deep rootedness of all is well, breathing through you. An organ of perception of all is well, the faith in the soil of sentience itself. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your powerful presence and your honed attention and intention. Today we're going to focus on a frequency of discovery that the field of nature offers us so unlimitedly. And it's a frequency that we call healing. And it's simply just so natural. This frequency called healing. It exudes and emanates out of every nature being effortlessly. It's their homeostasis. And so this gathering is intended to realign us with our natural homeostasis, which is a frequency of healing. So let's lean in to the arms, the vastness of all of nature now, and feel held. And just allow these words that come through to be what they're intended to be. Frequencies that elicit your own remembrance. These are transmissions that are born from communing with the herd, communing with the herd and all of nature, communing with the depths of our shared true nature. So allow them to be received effortlessly by your heart, by your feet, and by the empty space in your mind. All these transmissions now on healing. This comes from the heart of nature consciousness. You must feel your essence fire burning again. Feeling it kindles it. Feel it. Your essence fire burning. Feeling it kindles it. Feel it here and now with all of nature as one reverberation. Purring deeply within the echo chamber of your inner cavern of quietude. Purring. Feel it. Hear it. Deep within the echo chamber of your inner cavern of quietude. Let it infuse every breath, warming, spreading, this kindling, this essence, her, this essence, fire. Your essence hum. It reveals its incessant purr in the silence, yet it purrs unceasingly, even amidst the noise. For you, it is an intentionalized act to tune in. It must be an intentionalized act to tune into it. And then witness the miracle of your essence frequency, retuning you on all levels. Your essence hum reveals its incessant purr in the silence. And it incessantly purrs, hums, even amidst the noise. For you, it must be an intentionalized act to tune into it. So join us here and now, all of nature, humming from this cave, this cavern, this echo chamber of inner quietude. And then witness the miracle of your essence frequency, retuning you. This is healing. Reclaiming your natural state of harmony. Let's feel this together. With the intention of tuning to and hearing and feeling an inner her, a frequency of essence of your being, right here and now. Witness the miracle of this realignment, of this reclaiming of your natural harmony. It is as if stillness itself is purring. Stillness, purring is your essence hum. And all you need to do here and now is bathe in this living water. Waters magnetized by the frequency of your true nature. Dive deeper. In this very breath, dive deeper into these healing waters. With Teddy, here and now. With kindreds from around the world, here and now. Feel the amplification of these healing waters. With all of nature as one body of now. Bathing in this living water. Waters magnetized by the frequency of your true nature. Dive deeper into these healing waters. Fully marinating on every level of your being. And then feel the hum emanating out from this inner essence song. Feel light, frequency of light surrounding you, emanating out from this frequency hum. Feel held. Surrounded. And invite this emanating inner purr to wrap around and vibrate through the all of you, rumbling through, realigning, reharmonizing on every level, purring into pain, purring into fear, purring into judgment, purring into tension, purring into peace, purring into all that passes through this essence humming vessel, essence humming vessel of you. Stillness purrs through the unique instrument of you. The stillness that purrs is your essence hum. Bathe in this living water, here and now. Water's magnetized by the frequency of your true nature. Dive deeper within into these healing waters. Marinate. Be saturated fully. And feel the emanation of light of this frequency surrounding you, holding you. Feel into your true nature as an expanded sense of self. Invite this inner purr to wrap around you and to vibrate through all parts of you, purring into pain, purring into fear, purring into judgment, purring into tension, purring into peace. Purring into all that passes through the essence, humming vessel of you. This is healing. This is the natural state of all of nature. Return, breath by breath, here and now, to this retuning. This inner purr, so eternal. It purred you into existence. so eternal, it purrs you out of existence. So powerful, this inner purr of stillness, singing as you, it continues even after your form is made translucent. This hum dissolves all illusions and reveals what remains. This purr, so eternal, it purred you into existence. It's so powerful, it purrs you out of this existence. It continues even after your form is made translucent. This hum dissolves all illusion and reveals the truth of what remains. So rest here in these living waters. Bathe fully here. Feel here and now. Feel the reharmonization and realignment, the retuning of this humming essence vessel of you. And simply bathe. And in the depths of silence, listen. Feel and hear the hum of each nature being in harmony with all nature beings. The miracle of harmony. In the depths of silence, listen. Feel and hear the hum of each nature being in harmony with all nature beings. And feel your harmony again with the whole. This is healing. Feel the living essence harmonics within. Again and again and again. A homeostasis of humming, healing, presence. Feel the living essence harmonics within. Again and again. Humming, healing, presence. And feel how powerful this harmonic convergence of humming is. A field of active holding space, a humming, holding, of healing space, emanating. A harmonic convergence, beginning from your retuning. from the simplicity of listening to silence purring through you. So again, let's take a moment and directly tune in now to this inner purr, intentionalizing this action of inverting attention and feeling every molecule of water reharmonizing, magnetized healing. Go to any place in your own body that is in need, is calling out, where there is pain or fear or illness. And purr into, specifically purring into this location in your body, or your mind, or your psyche, or your spirit. And witness this purr reshaping, realigning, retuning, bringing coherence where it is needed within you. And then let us feel the emanation of this, the magnetized living water, the frequency of light that emanates out vaster than your body, holding you and humming you into harmony from within and without. You can ask any nature being how they do this when they are in a state of need, of healing, how they assist this for beings who are in need. And you can ask yourself as a nature being how natural it is to remember to feel this essence song, this essence fire, this essence frequency hum, to activate, to enliven, and then to allow. And this field of emanation now, feel how it extends and creates a healing field, a harmonic convergence with all nature beings, without separation, as light upon light exponentially humming. Beginning from the caverns of quietude within, from the echo chamber of silence humming through you. Let's breathe this in. Allow it to awaken your unique dance of remembrance and to ripple in and out. And then set it free with faith in the soil of sentience itself. Deepest, deepest gratitude is flowing out here and now to all of nature for this wisdom.